Hey everybody, welcome back to Iphone Bloke, the tech tuber where we help quality people to pick up quality product. Now in today's video, I want to talk about three important must-have essentials for your SUV, hatchback, sedan, whatever car you have with you in 2020-21. So let's get started. Right, so you have bought a car now. Now you have bought a car. Now you want to make sure that your car remains spick and span. You should not have anything so-called damage of your color or damage with context to your car, protection of paint. You want to have your car, shine like a new penny. Now, for all these things, there are important equipments, accessories you must have in your pocket to maintain your car like a new penny. Now, how to do that? What are those accessories? I'm going to talk about in this wonderful video, and I'm going to also share a link with the help of Amazon in my description box. So in case if you want to buy from there, because these are very affordable, ranging from 200 to 400 at the max, with a branded organization called 3mm. Now, the first thing first, which you should buy when you already have a car or you want to buy a car and then you want to maintain a car, is a good waxing. A good wax is important for your car to shine, especially for your paint to shine. So if you happen to have a brand new SUV, hatchback, sedan, whatever you have, you must buy 3mm car wax. Now this is a sort of procedure where you wash your car, and once the car gets dry, you take a nice soft piece of fabric, dip in, and then the way you apply butter on the bread, similar process you apply on your entire part of your vehicle, barring the glasses. Now, with the help of this particular wax, what it'll do once you let it dry for a couple of hours in the sun, it'll give you a shine like a new penny. Number one. Number two, it'll protect your car paint, which can be a very costly affair in case if somebody has dashed it from the back of the car, paint has come out. Number three, it maintains the originality of your car paint. And that is very, very important. That's very expensive as well. So car wax is a very, very important component, but do make sure you first clean your car, dry it out, and then apply so-called the car wax on all parts of your chrome and steel and your car equipment, leaving the car glass area. That's number one. Number two, the car shampoo. Now the car shampoo are of different categories, and I've chosen for you guys the 3mm product because in this wonderful description, the one which I've shared with all of you is a branded one which I've personally used for my SUV, and I see a lot of people referring for 3mm. The reason is it's an American multinational preference as well, and of course a lot of people, those who happen to have four wheels, they tend to dedicate and say go for 3mm because it's a quality product. A little expensive though, but on the quality side as well. Now for this, what you have to do, first you have to remove all the dust from your SUV or sedan or mini hatchback, whatever you have in your kitty. Then wipe it with a nice dry cloth. Make sure the cloth has to be nice and gentle, not very rugged, okay? And then you apply water. Also very important aspect, you have to have a water of any of your corporation, so that the car does not get salty water. A lot of people, those who wash with the help of Bowel and stuff, it's a bad practice. Trust me, it will take away all the quality of your paint, and you would end up saying, you know what, was it a right move? So let's not wash your car with the help of borewell water. That's absolutely no. So after that, apply a couple of drops of 3M shampoo, and then let it like a soap for at least a couple of minutes, and then wash it properly so that the entire dust, the entire unwanted thing what you have in your car goes away. Third but not the least, this one here talks about a very important aspect of your car glass cleaning. Now it's very important when you go on highway, especially in rainy season or in night session, and if you do not happen to have a very good projector, headlamp or lights, and the visibility is challenged at time because of winter, rainy season, you get a lot of fog on your screen, the back and the front. So in that case, a very good glass cleaner will help you to remove all the stain, all the issues on the glasses, because if you cannot see, then it becomes way too hazardous for you to drive any sort of car, whether it's a mini or a big SUV or a hatchback or a sedan. So cleaning your car, especially the fog part, on the rear and the front mirror is very, very important. So these are the three important things I have shared with Context 3mm. This is a wonderful and my personally used brand, globally well trusted brand, and a very affordable lens too. It starts within 200 to 500 at the max, and trust me, you would never be dissatisfied. So I hope this was useful to one and all. In case if it is, yes, give us a subscription, thumbs up, press the bell notification button, and thank you so much once again for watching and supporting us. We value your support a lot. Thanks a lot.